Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Shift Architect tutorial, how to change dimensions. For example, I will draw simple room with these wall tools. And the next to set the dimension, it will be automatically set in here. You can see the dimension in these objects. And I will create again slide for the walls at this point. So to be generate new dimension. Now, if you want to change these dimensions, you can go to edit, click on default settings, and then choose the dimension. You can double click to open the save dimension default. So as default to be set into 150 dimensions, and you can click edit the dimension. Like you can edit for text style in here. Like I will use the custom text style. With height, we set into 150. So the text will be more bigger. And this is for the arrow. I will set into this option. You also can set again into another option in it for setup automatic, temporary, and another extension. If you done, you can click OK. And then click OK again to apply into your drawing. So the dimension will be automatically changed. Okay, that's it for basic Shift Architect tutorial, how to change dimensions. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.